Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2017 on a 67 plate Ford Fiesta Titanium. This is the 1 litre turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in ruby red metallic, and it's covered just 35,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk round of this fantastic looking Fiesta Titanium in the ruby red, which is such a lovely colour. Changes colours depending on the light. Expensive option. Really looks the part. October 2017 registered. 35,000 miles. It's had just the one private owner from brand new. A one-owner vehicle. Always hard to come by these days. It's got these lovely 16-inch silver alloy wheels that are in really, really good condition. And they complement the paintwork very nicely. Really well maintained example. We've got 5 services recorded in the book, so well looked after throughout its life, and very sensible running costs with these. 60 miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Ford, £190 a year to tax, nice low insurance group as well, group 10. So as always with the Fiestas, they tick an awful lot of boxes if you're after a good looking 5-door hatchback with lots of specification. Keyless entry and keyless start on this titanium spec model. It's got quite a few added options on this one as well, so really nice level of trim as we have a look inside. All the seats in really good condition. You've got a leather centre armrest, just as you'd expect from a one-owner car really. All the door cards in good shape. Electric front windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its carpet mats, automatic lights, up onto the steering wheel, again in really good shape. You've got controls for your Bluetooth, you've got your trip computer radio controls, you've got your cruise control with speed limiter, adaptive cruise as well. Lane assist up above. Then down below, like I say, you've got your armrest, manual handbrake, couple of cup holders, start-stop facility which you can switch off. It's got front and rear parking sensors which you can switch off, and it's also got park assist as well. Now in theory that'll park itself. I don't trust them quite honestly in any make or model, but the feature's there if you're brave enough to try it. 6-speed manual gearbox. Down below we've got a phone holder, you've got 12-volt socket, USB input. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. And it's a push button start, so foot on the clutch. And there's your mileage, 35356, as it sits with us. Down below, we've got heated front screen, which is Ford's little party piece, of course. Makes the screen clear very quickly. We've got climate control. And then, as we make our way up to the infotainment system, satellite navigation, we've got DAB, digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone. And if I put the car into reverse, not only have we got the parking sensors front and rear, we've also got a nice big reversing camera at the back. So really nice level of spec. And I think you can do your Apple CarPlay and all that sort of thing as well. So very nice indeed. Slightly darkened rear windows. You've got that 5-door practicality. Plenty of space in the back. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and you've got the ISOFIX for the child seats as well. Good amount of headroom, so a very comfortable 5-seater, and again really nice condition. And then into the boot space, always good on these Fiestas of this age. Parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then a really good size loading area, and underneath the luxury of a spare wheel. So there we have it, October 2017 Ford Fiesta Titanium, 1 litre turbo, 35,000 miles, just the one private owner from new. Good service history as well, nice spec, sat nav, reversing camera, cruise control, all the nice bits. Finance is available from less than £180 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example, one owner car, lovely colour. I'm sure this will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.